In this video, I'll be showing you how to use your AirPods Pro 3 on your Xbox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now I have my AirPods Pro 3 here, but you can do this with literally any AirPods because they do all work on, Xbox One X or Xbox Series S, anything like that you have. So on your Xbox, all you got to do is go to your settings on your homepage. Once you're in your settings, just go to your accessories area and then go to Bluetooth, and then it's just going to be showing all the ones that are basically in pairing mode, anything that you can connect to. So now on your AirPods, what you got to do is whenever you have it open, you're going to normally see a green light or something. Go ahead and double tap on the light. So I'm going to double tap like so, and now as you can see, it's in pairing mode. So that basically means it's going to be sending its signal to other devices. So what you got to do on your Xbox now is you're going to see the AirPods. It's going to be AirPods Pro 3, or it's going to be, any AirPods you have, and then just go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to successfully be paired. And it's as simple as that. Once it's paired, it's going to have this green light right here. That's how you know it's going to be working, and then you're going to be able to use your AirPods on your Xbox, and it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.